We're doing Seal Beach. Oh shit. What up, everybody? We're in Seal Beach. I don't know if I got the settings right on this. Hopefully you can hear me with the microphone. But yeah, we're in Seal Beach. We're going to the exact same spot. I'm gonna go on the rocks. I don't care if there's people out there. I saw mad people pulling in haoles out of it, so whew, got my cooler. It's fucking hot today, man. It's like 93. Well, once again, there's mad people on the jetty, so I'm just gonna do some surf fishing, and yeah, I'm gonna try some surf fishing for a while at the same spot in Seal Beach. Fucking, I'm gonna tie my drop shot. Got it all tied up. Drop shot. I'm gonna try this big ass fucking grub. See how it does. Let's get out there. Let's see what this big motherfucker can do. Woo! Cold water. I'm gonna try not to get my reel wet this time, because my last one fucked up. I might need tape on my finger. I always cut myself. Oh yeah! Launched it, launched it, launched it. That's what I does, cuz. Oh man, this shit is cold. Oh shit, there's a guy out there. I should be careful for that. Alright, I'm gonna turn it on if I catch something. Oh fuck, that was a fucked. Didn't launch it that time. A lot more seaweed getting attached to everything. That kind of sucks. This seaweed's kind of a boner killer, man. I don't know if I like it. Boner killer. Oh, there was an old lady right behind me. Boner killer. Boner. I don't know why I'm saying boner. There we go. I think I'm gonna try a smaller grub, man. Maybe this is just too big. That's for like big ass haoles. I don't know, you know? Deep sea haoles. Maybe not surf fishing haoles. Sorry for saying haoles so much. I think I'm gonna try this tiny white grub, man. This tiny little guy. I feel like that. Is it straight enough? Alright, tiny grub. Let's see what it does, baby. You know what it is. You know what I do. Launched it. I'm going like right in front of that cat right there, man. Ah, shit. Never mind. Next cast. But still, a perfect launch nonetheless. I left my gear on the beach. I need to be able to run, if anybody. I'm gonna go to that rock right there. How do I get there one-handed? Whoa! Parkour, bro. Parkour. Oh shit, there's a crab right there with trash. Trash all over that rock. That must be the chillin' rock. Am I right? Alright, let me get down there. Look, there's crabs everywhere. Whoa, boy. Yeah, a little crab went under there. Let's launch a couple, man. Maybe I should go out to that rock. That's like where Mermaids must go to sunbathe. Holy shit, that was not a launch. Pardon-moi. Pardon-moi? S'il vous plaît? Yeah, I can't like Happy Gilmore my casts out here. It's kind of sketchy. Gonna fall head first into some fucking rocks, man. Yo, this is really nice, man. Like the cool breeze, the water, the rocks. I don't know what, man. This is getting me emotional. I'm glad I live in California, man. I'll pop in with some white floats. Smells delicious. Trash rock. Alright, baby. Fluke. I feel good about this. Because I got to get going, actually. So, come on, Fluke. Launched it. Look at that crab. I think he's missing a leg. Getting a scrap right next to that beer can. People fucking litter their assholes. I hate it. Launched it. Alright, last one. Launched it. Sorry guys, my enthusiasm has waned. I'm still having a blast, but you know, sun, man, the sun beating down on you, it's good, but you know, it's tiring. Everybody, we're heading to the Queen Mary. I kind of did this on a whim. Just was like, hey, why don't we just go fishing for like an hour? It's about to be sunset. I'm getting taken by this majesty of Her Majesty, the Queen Mary. Okay, let's see. Kind of sketchy. Maybe over there is a little flatter rock. Y'all watch out, man. There's rats all over this place. You know what I mean? There we go. Alright. Like before, I'll turn it on if I get a bite or something. Fish on. Yep. Set the hook. There he is. I don't know what. Oh, it's a halibut. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, halibut. Ah, shit, I wish I had a net. Fuck yeah. Fucking halibut, man. Fuck yeah, man. Hallie. That's what I'm going for, just way bigger, like this big. You know what I mean? We'll let this guy go. Oh, he's gone. Damn, that was dope. Hell yeah. First time, man, that's what I'm going for too, is a halibut, so. Hell yeah. Fucking pumped on that shit. I know it was tiny, but I haven't caught a fish yet out of the ocean, and that was my very first time, so. Yeah, we'll fucking. Hell yeah, I'm fucking pumped. Sorry, guys. It's a beautiful night. Fucking Queen Mary. It's nice out here right now. I'm so pumped I caught a fish, even though it wasn't a keeper or anything like that. You know, I'm just mad pumped about that. I thought that was a jellyfish, but it's just trash because people are assholes. Well, I fucking finally caught a halibut, and I'm super pumped about it. I'm probably gonna cast out a couple more times, even though it's tiny. Yo, it was exhilarating. Super pumped about it. Got Long Beach behind us. Queen Mary over there. They're partying on some party boat over there. But super pumped about today. I'm gonna cast a few more times. The crabs are starting to attack me. Look at, they're all over the place. They're like spiders. It's kind of freaky. Whoa. But alright, yeah. Peace.